reason why we pull a show like this together is to help our butchers, help our customer base, put a bit of passion back into the industry, inspire every business that we deal with. So every butchery business, we want to inspire them. We want to show that all our suppliers behind us have the new innovation, the new products that will help their business drive it forward.
I think it's better to talk to the customers direct because you get to hear their feedback. When you come to these shows, people say, oh no, that's a great product, or I've tried this product, maybe it's not so good, and we can tell them ways how to maybe enhance it better for them.
Come to meet the guys from Team GB because I met them over in Belfast last year. Had a good walk round, got lots of information. Going to be spending some money. So with dry aging and charcuterie, things that we don't do currently at the moment, we buy it all in. So it'd be nice to get on the course and understand the job.
It's an amazing show. It's great for butchers to come and see new ideas, new products, new flavours, new trends, and also great for networking with other butchers.
This has probably been the best event we've been to, and the actual feel of the show, it's been really sort of quite relaxed, which they always are with the butchery guys. They're happy to talk, but this in particular has been a great show. Just really busy, good vibe to it as well.
Start cutting now. I'm here today to judge the young butchers and apprentice heats. It's all about passing the skill and the knowledge on in the industry. We're looking for young blood to come into the industry, and competitions are the way to go.
Well, I'm actually here supporting a younger brother. This sort of event must be doing a real good thing for making people aware of what we're doing.
So to put everybody out their misery, the two we are selecting to come forward for further training is Daniel Woods and the colleague to go with him for further training is Ira Collier. On my left here on Team GB. And it's a great pleasure also to introduce Tim Ireland.
The competition's been great, absolutely fantastic. We're right across from it here, and you know, you just need to look around. Everybody, everywhere, you'll be lucky to get a space. Well, we decided to take on this great task here in this exhibition hall purely on the reason that we outgrown our depots. This all started off as a little barbecue, local customers come along, a local depot, and it just grew and grew from there. And it wasn't until the last show we did in Nottingham last year, we had over 720 people, we thought, hang on, we need to move on now. We need to find a better facility, and here we are. And it's been a massive success.